Salut. Today we are going to learn about something special. In French, sometimes we have combination of an article and a preposition. So when these words combine, they result into a new word formed from the combination of these two words. So the first one, we have the preposition un. Preposition in French is préposition. Donc, c'est comme we have preposition un, and this preposition un means to or at. Sometimes we combine this preposition with article. And as we learned earlier on, we said that an article can be a feminine or masculine or a plural. So what happens here, if you see to the left hand side, it's written masculine. Then we have a u, which is pronounced as on in French. That's o. In bracket, there is un plus lo. So what it means here is like the word o, which is au, is formed from the combination of un and lo. So when we combine un and lo, they result into o. For example, I want to say to the, right? I'm going to the market, for example. I'm going to the market. So market in French, that's marché. Marché. Marché is a masculine. If I want to say I'm going to the market, if I want to put that statement in French, that means I have to put to, which is preposition, and we have said preposition to in French, that's un, and the masculine, that's lo. So if I want to say to the, that means I'll combine to, which is un, and combine the, which is lo. So when I combine these two words, I form the word on. I am going in French, that's je vais. Je vais. To the, that's on. Just because we have added un and lo. So market, that's marché. To say I'm going to the market, I will say je vais au marché. Je vais au marché. Oi, this all comes just because of the combination of un and lo. So that's how we come up with on. If a noun is a feminine, we are going to take that un as a preposition, which means to, and la as an article, which means the, and this the is feminine. So when we combine un plus la, it gives us a la, to the. The meaning of o, which is a u, and the meaning of a la, which is a and la, is just the same. The difference is the one is masculine and the other one is feminine. So when you want to say I want to go somewhere else, if that particular place is a feminine, for example, bank, I'm going to the bank. So to the akala a la, just because bank is a feminine, therefore we combine a as a preposition plus a feminine article of la, which is la. So it will be à la banque. Je vais à la banque. Je vais à la banque. That means I'm going to the bank. Sometimes a word can start with a vowel or with a mute H. Mute H is an H which is not pronounced in a word. So if a word is starting with a vowel or an H, instead of putting a la, we get rid of la. We get rid of a and we put an apostrophe. So it will appear as a, as seen on the chart, L and an apostrophe. For example, we have school. School in French, that's école. École. E-C-O-L-E. École. So as you can see, this word is starting with a vowel. So when somebody says, I'm going to school, he or she will say, je vais à l'école. Je vais à l'école. That means a and L apostrophe comes just because the following word is starting with a vowel. Then we have O, which is A-U-X. This O comes due to the combination of a preposition a plus an article but in plural form, which is le. That means the sentence which can be constructed here can be to the, but a word after to the should be a plural word. For example, United States of America. United States of America is just a combination of different states. So when you are going there, we use the pronoun, the preposition on, which is a combination of un plus le, which is a plural. So when you want to say, I'm going to United States, we'll say, je vais aux États-Unis. Je vais aux États-Unis. Je vais means I am going. On means to. États-Unis, États-Unis, that means United States. So in French, when a word ends in a consonant and starts with a vowel, we combine the sound of a consonant and a vowel to make one sound. That's why we can see here that O is ending in an X, and that X is not pronounced unless the following word is starting with a vowel. That's why we are saying aux États-Unis. On the États-Unis. Je vais aux États-Unis. I'm going to United States. So this is how we construct prepositions using a preposition and an article. This article is law. We also have other formation of a preposition, which is the combination of do and law. The first one, when we add do plus law, it gives us do. Do, which is du, as you can see there. In a bracket, there is de plus le cross bracket. So this means do, and in a bracket, do plus law. This combination gives us the word do. This preposition follows a masculine noun. Then when we are adding do plus la, that means the following word to come should be a feminine. So it doesn't change anything else. It sounds like do la, as in the bracket, which is do plus la. So when the word is feminine, it doesn't change anything else. The same applies with what we did with a plus la. So when a word, the following word is starting with a vowel or a mute H or silent H, when adding do plus lo or la, we get rid of a, which is at the end soon after L, and put an apostrophe. So it sounds like do L apostrophe. That means the sound of L is combined by an article which comes with the following word. Finally, when we add do plus le, that le is plural, like